What's going on, gardeners? Is your first frost date right around 30 to 45 days from now, and you've only harvested your first flush of melons and so on? This will even work with other vining melon type fruiting plants. What you'll do, just trim off everything that does not have a forming fruit on it. Everything. So you can see here, even though I have female flowers that I have trimmed off, there's probably one on every single branch. The plant will never produce this many fruit. It cannot produce more than one or two if you want to get fruit within this 30 to 45 day time frame. So I stripped the entire thing down to basically one single stem until it gets to up here, where I did leave one fruit right here and then another fruit right here just as insurance, but I'll probably end up clipping off just to leave one, maybe possibly two fruit, because now you're tricking all the energy to go into these fruit. Also, I clipped off any side shoots with suckers with just leaves, like right here. Here's a good example. I would pinch this out and leave nothing there. Because again, you want to send all the energy into just these couple fruit and have the plant focus on that. Because see, we can already see these look like they've been pollinated, and if they start growing, I will get fruit within a certain amount of time. And just keep an eye on it. It might want to keep sending out shoots of green. I'll just keep plucking them off, and hopefully this means this is also going to be a trial run for me. If I can get fruit off of a cantaloupe, this is a mini cantaloupe, mind you, in 30 to 45 days, because that's when my first frost is, kind of like mid-October. Usually it's early October, so by the time this video gets out, it'll be closer to about 30 days. So that's just a quick tip for any of your melons. It even kind of technically works with vining cucumbers. If you have cucumbers still in the ground and you need another harvest, it even applies to some tomatoes like this. You can also top your tomatoes like I did here with this melon. I topped this melon right here to send all the energy back into the remaining amount of the fruit. So if you want to see a video on tomatoes too regarding getting more harvest before your frost, let me know in the comments. So I hope you liked this video, got something out of it, and if you did, please subscribe, like, and share this video with a gardening friend.